I wouldn't call this an art, but probably a scribbling. A scribbling from my heart, wherein I've poured out all confusions, misdirections, the uneasiness, and the discomfort that I keep feeling, which becomes an image. The image by itself may not look beautiful to an outsider or to anyone other than me. Scribbling has been a constant to me ever since I was a kid, and I suppose this is the case with most of us. In fact, it was my aunt, who was an architect, helped me channelize all that raw and distracted energy of mine into proper doodling of homes. And from then on, every possible wall and floor at my home has seen my doodling of all possible kinds. As adults, we fail to understand the small little world that the kids have built within their mind and is constantly trying to communicate to the world outside through their scribbles or doodles. Sometimes watching birds made me realize that I was never a person with a concentrated mind, but full of distractions, and drawing to me was a way to unleash all the knots and tangles that I've created within my own little mind. I'm not sure if others would see what I see, but I'm happy the way this unfolds. The untangling of my tangles, the pouring out of my soul, the quiet unleashing of what's in my mind, so that I could possibly communicate to myself and have an evidence of this is what I've been witnessing for some time. I know that each one of us is very different when it comes to figuring out the small knots and tangles in our mind, and doodling may or may not help, but figuring out what works defines our unique journey that each of us has to endure till the end. Much love.